Hello everyone. Today is day 24 of my 365 days challenge. My breakfast has already completed, and another thing is that my brother has gone to my village. The work for which he came here, the work has finished right now, so he'll return back to the home. And after 2 to 3 days, I might be going to my village also, but the good thing is that right now I am alone in my room, so my schedule, my day-to-day activity will start again. The speed, the momentum which I have done earlier, according to that I am going to start it again. Because of my brother, 2 to 3 days I just the schedule just little bit disturbed, but again all these things will be started again. Hopefully the today I will make it much more better than previous one. Every day the first thing came in my mind that how to make this day better than the previous one. As you have seen that in my previous video that I have already gone to the ISKCON temple, where I have the some kind of work which was pending there. I have to talk with them for making the or arranging a podcast. So the conversation is done. So they are going to Brindavan from today. After when you will come back, then we will try to make the podcast at that moment. Apart from this, today we are going to give our best to make this day much more better or much more effective. So stay connected and see you what happened today at the end. So bye bye. I can see that it is raining now, and I am standing under a tree. That's why it is a little bit critical condition for me right now. I was in the safe place, but unfortunately I just left that place because somehow some extent the rain has stopped. But when I just started to leave this place, again the rain has started. Now I just totally get wet in this water. Hi, you can see me. I just completely wet, not because of sweat. This is because of the rain. I was completely wet, and I can show you my pant also. It is also wet. I just stay there a right place, a perfect place, but the rain stopped. That's why I just plan to start my journey again, but unfortunately the rain again started, and I have to stay under a tree. And when I thought I should again start my journey, suddenly the rain has settled, because I have to no one is here, so I have to do all these things right now. First of all, I will wash my head because it is completely wet. Definitely you can see the small drops on my head. I just washed my leg because it was totally muddy, and the pant also have gone already. First of all, I have to wash my, and definitely you can listen the sound of the rain. Wow. I'm also showing you Oh, I'm giving one little bit extra light. Okay, first of all, I just wash my head. Oh. You can see that. I think it is visible or not, I don't know. I think the rain will continue because it was raining little bit heavier. There was a place where I can stay there, but unfortunately I don't have that much of patience to stay there. I just left that place. Oh. Finally I reached the home because it is that not much distance from my room. It was nearly about 400 to 500 meters. That's why I just came quickly, and finally I reached my room, and my dress was completely wet. So let me change it first. Here is the condition of my pant. It is completely wet from front side. Finally I just did all this work because I just washed my pant, shirt and all these things. So right now I am just tired. I will go market and I will take my dinner. Then I will just take the rest and will get up morning as far as quick possible. It was not. I will not say that this day was boring or anything else, but yes, okay, a little bit okay type. But another thing I just want to share with you that I just get wet by the rainwater. While it was raining, I just wet, completely wet. There are two mindset can be arise at that incident. The first one is that I might thought about that, yeah, and that is the boring day, or I just get disturbed, hectic, anything else like that. But another prospect is that that is a beautiful experience. I create an experience in this place because every day it is not raining, and every day I was not waiting or get wet by the rain. It is not everyday action. This is the rare action. So this is the beautiful memory for me. In similar way, whatever is happening with you, that is a positive one or a negative one, whatever, just see it as a form of experience. This is the beautiful experience. Not look the thing as a form of tragedy, bad incident, or any hectic situation. Just try to change your way of looking the thing. Then you will feel that everything will be changed in your surrounding, and you will just start to feel and just start to enjoy your life in a great extent. So this is the day, because it is not I am just not making the video about 10 minutes long, but it was not something like interesting on this day. But I might go to the college tomorrow, so I think tomorrow will be much more better than this day. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye. I am going to college, that's why I will try to make the video in college also. So see you. Bye bye. Take care. Good night.